Good afternoon, everybody. Captain Namco here. So we found this old Kenmore in our garage. I'll show you where it was at. We actually found it sitting right up there. We'd actually seen a handle. My stepdad came and got my attention. He's like, "I found treasure." And I'm like, "Treasure? What are you talking about?" And we seen the handle of that vacuum sitting up there. I'm like, "That's a vacuum." I said, "That's an old vacuum." And lo and behold, we are looking at a 1983 Kenmore high-performance upright vacuum. And yes, it does run, and I'll plug it in here in just a minute so y'all can hear it. But it does run. And I do plan on taking this thing in and getting it serviced. And it'll be usable. This vacuum actually appeared in a Sears Spring/Summer Big Book in 1982. So, and I'll tell you one thing that you need to know if you want to know if these things are from the 80s or the 70s. One thing you'll notice that this is a plastic model. So that means this vacuum was made in the 1980s. Vacuums from the 1970s will still had the metal, like the Electrolux tank vacuums. So there's that. All right. Another unique thing about this vacuum is that it does not have a normal power switch. And I'll show you. Okay. So, this vacuum does not have a power switch. So, you might wonder how you turn it on. Like this. I mean, it don't run bad. Cool. It does not sound horrible at all. Thanks for watching, y'all. And as always, before I go, I just want to remind y'all that Jesus loves you and God bless.